Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Slack. So if you don't know what Slack is, it is a messaging app for teams that helps people communicate and collaborate in real time. It also organizes conversations into channels, like here, these are channels. Supporting file sharing, integrates with tools like Google Drive, Zoom, and offers both desktop and mobile apps. It is widely used for remote work and team productivity. So right here, if I go to home right here, as you can see, these are all the people that are available on my Slack channel right here. So in general, the leader or the admin of the group can message the general chat here, just like on Discord, which will everybody right here will be able to see. And for example, I will go to a DM right here. So I'll just go to this guy. So for example, I can click on his profile, and as you can see right here, I can see his local time. So I can see what country he's from or what time zone he's in. I can also see his email address, and I can just message him here. So for example, I'll type in hi. And here in Huddle is basically their version of a call. So if I call him, we'll get in a huddle. And then right here, if I add a canvas, okay, I can just add for example, it's like a note for him to see, and both of us can see it. And I can also add a bookmark, customize tabs, and in the pro version, you can add another canvas, a list, and a workflow. And right here in the activity, all you can see is people activity, the mentions, threads, reactions, invitations, and apps. So if you integrated your app, for example, Google Drive or other apps that they might integrate in Slack, it will show up here. Also in mentions, it would also show up here. So for example, if somebody messaged you a long time ago and you want to find that, it will show up here. You can just find it here, and in threads, reactions, and like that. And that is it. That is how you basically use Slack. It is relatively simple and easy to understand. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.